Hello my friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sheree. Welcome to my channel, Turquoise Dreaming, and I hope you're all doing well. I'm here today to do a flip through of this little puppy journal. So this was made from a Rand McNally vintage book, very vintage really. It's from the 1950s, and it is the size, it's a little one. So it's approximately 4 1/4 inches wide by six and a half inches tall. And it's bound with the wire coils, as you can see. And it comes with this little tassel that is removable. Here it's on a notebook ring. And I've got, some ribbons, pretty ribbons, some eyelash trim there, some sparkly ribbon, and some fabric ribbon. So, and on the cover here, I do have a little bit of rickrack, little baby rickrack there. And on the back, I have a little cluster with a "You Had Me at Woof" sticker. So, super cute. And lots of my decorated paper clips are coming with it. So, as you open up, this was the original page here, or original, inside the cover. There's no digitals in here. Oh, by the way, when you see this video, this journal will be in my shop. And so there's scrapbook papers and other papers here, lots of room for writing, mementos, pictures, whatever you want to put in here. If you want to make this a little puppy scrapbook, that would be cute. But whatever you want to do with it, it would be adorable. So, and also the Echo Park paper, the dog themed paper that I showed you in my last video or two where I worked on this journal. So here on this first page here, I have "Home is Where the Dog Is." And then you'll see that these type of pages are all from the book. This book. And if you didn't see the videos, I made some ephemera out of pages that were like this, that were damaged. They were torn, or they just weren't pages I could put into the journal, so I made ephemera out of them and I salvaged them in that way. So this was one of them. There was a rip right down the middle. This was the original tape that was on it. I didn't replace it or anything. I just left it and glued it down on a file folder. And now it is a journaling card. And I added some cute little stickers. There's a bone right there, a dog bone. And there's a fire hydrant on here. So super cute. I like how those came out. And I like that I was able to save them and make something, usable out of them. So I'll just flip. There's, it's kind of self-explanatory. So, all these type of papers are scrapbook paper. And you'll see some lined paper. That one is actually coffee dyed. And then, I'll let you see them though. I'll try not to turn too quick so you don't see what's going on here. But it's coffee dyed composition book paper, I believe. This type of paper right here, it's kind of creamy color. It's resume paper. Page from the book. There's a little sticker I put on this page: "Play all day." A little page there. And here's another. All of these are backed with file folder, the manila file folder, so I really don't need to take them all out, but isn't that a cute little page? And the rip is all the way across, and there's tape on there, the original tape, and it just turned out so cute. I used some of the stickers and made them into tabs, so there's the first one there, the first little tab. All of the papers from the Echo Park collection kit are double-sided, so you'll see those in here. They all have things about dogs on them. All these type of papers right here from the resume paper. This is a little booklet. I'll take this one out and show you real quick in case you didn't see these before. I made these from the cut-aparts in the Echo Park paper and just used the 2 cut-aparts as the cover, kept them together and just folded it, and it's got a little 3 pamphlet stitch sewn in with some blue elastic string, and just put some cute little pretty paper in there, and so you've got extra little kind of whatever you want. You could put my little pictures would probably fit in there from my sprocket. They're about 2 by 4. They might fit in there because these are 3 by 4, I think. So that'd be a cute little picture album if you wanted to do something. If you were able to print out little pictures like that. Page from the book. Several fold outs or flip outs in here. Another page from the book that I salvaged. This one has a little puppy sticker on it and another tab on this paper. All of these pink papers I think were coffee dyed, I believe. It's lightly coffee dyed, but you can see a little streak here and there. from the coffee dyeing. They're not heavily coffee dyed. And here is the sticker I made into a little tag. So I just added a file folder on the back so it wouldn't be a sticker anymore. Little fabric bow there. Let me make that go. Yeah, there. Oh, that's good. Little banner here from the stickers. I was really trying to use up those stickers. And all the paper clips are decorated. This is a little postal related tag there with a button, and it's got baker's twine on the top. Red and white baker's twine there. This is another little tag set. It's got 3 tags on here. It's got this one here, and it's white on the back, and then this one is a little shaker tag. It's got sequins and little things in there. There's a shake around, and then this is a little teeny tiny tag on top, and it's all on a bulb pen. Flip out there. All the book pages in here from this book. No other books are in here. This is another sticker that was, or another tag or journaling card that was a sticker. That's backed with file folder. Another little tab, and double-sided paper from the collection kit. Flip out. So you can see there's lots of room in here. There's 50 pages or 100 surfaces, something like that, I think. Oh, you know what? They're not quite 50. I will put it in the description. I think it was 44 because I made usually when I make these I can put 50 pages in here, but that's not with fold outs or flip outs. Like this cardstock is thicker. So that means I can't fit as many pages in here. Little tag in this little envelope here. This little journaling card made from a sticker from the dog kit. Oh, and here we're at the back. So let me, let's see, I'm hooked on something here. Hold on. I got my little bow hooked on. There's a little bow here on the outside of this, but this is 3 pamphlet stitch bound. And over here too, there's 2 little booklets in here. So I made this from cut aparts from the collection kit. So it was like this, the cut aparts. And I left them together and put in some paper. So I put paper over here and sewed it in, stitched it in or whatever, 3 pamphlet stitch and paper over here. So you can fold it like this or fold it like this. It doesn't really matter any which way you want. But you got some cute little dog related things here, and there you go. So you get that little booklet too, besides the other little one I already showed you. And this was another salvaged page from the book with this cute little kitten. This was a little sticker we put on there that just was so perfect with that blue bow, and the bull has some blue in it too. This was the original inside cover of the back cover there. So that will come with everything you see. This will come with everything you saw here right now. And plus one of my little freebies. Probably if this is the next journal that's sold, it will be, I have the little box with the little goodies in it, little surprise goodies. It was the little vintage, if you didn't know about it or didn't see it, I filled a little vintage paperclip box with all kinds of tiny goodies, and I stuffed it full on, so full that I had to put a rubber band around it because I couldn't keep the lid closed. So if this is the next journal, it will get that, or that's what's going with the next journal. And like if you bought 2 journals, I'm just saying you get 2 freebies. So I didn't want anybody to worry about that. If you were to order 2 journals, you definitely get 2 freebies. So that's why I'm working it right now. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.